Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw Moniepoint promo balance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's head over to our Moniepoint app and log into your account. Let's wait for our dashboard to load. So our dashboard has loaded now. If we come over to this Moniepoint, now you see this rewards balance and referrals balance. So now it depends on the promo. Do you want to withdraw your Moniepoint's referral promo balance? Or maybe there was any promo in Moniepoints earlier, which you would like to withdraw from. So now first, let's go to this referral balance. As you can see, currently I have some amount in referral balance. I'll just tap on cash outs. Now input the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw whole amount. So now I'll tap on cash outs. And now let me just quickly import my PIN. Here you can see cash out successful. So now as you can see, my balance has increased. Now go and tap on rewards balance. Now I'll just tap on cash outs, tap on proceed, and you will see this cash out successful screen. As you can see, my balance will be added. So that's basically how you can withdraw Moniepoint promo balance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.